Hello dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching ESO Sindh YouTube channel and I am your host Shahzad Hussain. Dear friends, today we will discuss that how an undergraduate registered student of Sindh Agriculture University Tandojam can fill his or her next semester's admission form. So for that purpose, SAU Tandojam has developed his online admission system. For first, you have to click on Google Chrome. In the website bar, just write here sau.edu.pk. After that, you will see the website of SAU Tandojam is opened. Under the admission section, choose undergraduate from the options. Now you can see the guidelines have been provided and all the students have to follow these all 15 guidelines to fill your admission form appropriately. For first, you have to generate your challan, and for that purpose you have to click here on view. After that, you will see the proforma for the development of challan has been opened. Now provide your details here. I am giving an example. You must have to input your own details. After filling your name, provide your father's name, put your CNIC here, put your registration number here, select your faculty, choose the degree program, select your batch from the given options. Part of the year must be selected. After, you have to select the semester for which you are going to be admitted. Then if you have obtained the admission on self-finance base, then you have to click yes, otherwise it must be no. After that, if you are the son, daughter, brother, sister of SAU employee, then you have to select here yes, otherwise it must be no. Then you can see the fees has been generated. Now you have to save the challan form, and for that you have to click on save option. Now you can see your challan has been generated successfully. Just take out the print of this challan, and for that you have to click on Ctrl P. After clicking on Ctrl P, you must have to select save as PDF here from the given options, and now click on save button. You must save this challan on your desktop so as you can find it easily. Now click on save option. After clicking on save option, you must have to print out and submit your challan form in your nearest HBL bank branch. Now just click on back option. After paying your HBL challan in your nearest HBL bank branch, now you have to click on view on the admission form submission. After that, there will be an attempt of login will be open. You have to provide your email address that has been given to you by university, and now you have to put the challan form submission details. First, you have to give challan number. I am giving an example. You must have to write your own. Then fee submission date must be selected appropriately. Your HBL bank branch name, your branch code must be given. This is the branch code of the HBL bank branch in which you have submitted the challan. Enter the fees amount that you have submitted. Now you have to upload the challan copy. You have to click on upload file. Select the image of your challan. I am selecting an example image. You can put the exact image of your challan which you have submitted in nearest HBL bank branch. Now click on next option. You have to provide your accurate CNIC which you have incorporated in the form. provide your registration number, provide your name here, your father's name here, your caste, your gender, either male or female. Then you have to provide your mobile number. I am giving an example and you must have to provide your accurate mobile number. Then click on next. This is the part C of the admission form. Now you have to select your faculty. If you have obtained a major department, then you have to write here your department, otherwise it must be blanked. Select the batch from the given options. Part of the year must be given. Then admission for the semester. If you are real son or daughter of an employee of SAU, you must select yes, otherwise it must be no. If you have selected the above option yes, then you have to provide the name of the employee and designation, then it's the department or section of employee, and the last you have to provide admission on the basis of either self-finance or no. Then click on submit. When you will submit your admission form, you will see the thanks message has been given and now your form has been submitted successfully. After submitting your online admission form, now you have to go on university website and find here SAU email. When you will click on your SAU email, your official email will be opened, and where you have received a message that your undergraduate admission form confirmation. After opening this email, you have to click here on 3 dots and under the view options, select open in new window. Here you can see the message, the email has been opened in a new window. Now you have to save this form by just clicking on Ctrl P and choose here save as PDF file and save it in your computer. After saving it, just close this window and now move on the guidelines that have been provided under the admission section. Now print 2 copies of the form and sign it and put the date. Send 1 copy of the form along with challan to the Director Admissions SAU through Surface Mail, either Pakistan Post or Courier Service, and keep 1 copy of form along with challan you as a record. Now you have successfully submitted your admission form, and this was the end of today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow at my Facebook page. You can find my YouTube channel on the search bar of YouTube. Here you can write ESO Sindh and press search. You can see my channel has been on the top. Just by clicking on subscribe button, you will get the latest update from my channel, and you also can follow me at my Facebook page, facebook.com/eos.sindh. You can follow me by Facebook just by liking and following my YouTube channel. And this was the end of today's video. Inshallah, we will meet again with a very nice video in a very short time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.